Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to continue with this 76 Trans Am. Alright guys, let's continue with this 76 Trans Am after that little mishap that I had. But let's finish it up. Now I already scuffed down this door. This is a brand new door. I did need to apply a little bit of body filler here. There was a couple of little imperfections that I saw right there, but they've been fixed. All in all, this door is perfectly good. So I already aligned it with the fenders. The fenders are right here. And we're going to be applying some epoxy primer to the entire fenders and some primer. So there you go guys, both fenders are here. The other door is not ready yet. I still need to align it a little bit more on the quarter of the Trans Am, but I don't want this part right here to get surface rust. So we're going to be applying that epoxy primer and the primer. The epoxy primer that I'm going to be using is from Eurochem. It's a very trustworthy primer. It is a DTM, which is direct to metal. So there's a lot of bare metal on these doors and those fenders. So that's what we need to do first. Here it is, the first coat of the epoxy primer. Now I'm going to be applying 2 coats of epoxy primer, waiting about 15-20 minutes in between each coat. Probably 15 minutes. It's about 95 degrees in here. It's hot. So I'm just going to wait like about 15 minutes, come back, apply 1 more coat. And then after that, I do need to wait 1 hour. So before I can start applying that the high build primer, so that I can block these fenders. But all in all, it's looking good. And why do I apply epoxy primer on top of where you saw primer right there? I just want it to be uniform. That's the only reason. Usually the epoxy primer is just for bare metal, but I just want it to be uniform, so I applied it on top of the other primer that it had. I did sand it down. I sanded it down with 80 grit. That's where I'm at right now. That's where I started applying this epoxy primer. And you're gonna say, that's too coarse. Well, it's not. As you can see, nice, even. That's gonna give it that chemical adhesion that needs to occur so that epoxy primer can really bond to this metal. All right, so let's wait 15 minutes, come back, apply 1 more coat, and we'll go from there. Now the gun that I'm using to apply the epoxy primer, it's the A60 Extreme from Avalon. Right there, this is a 1.3 tip, and where can I get one of these guns? Right there, guys. Right there, Genesis Auto Body Supply. Hit them up, tell them Faraway sent you. Get yourself one of these A60 Extreme. Real nice gun, real nice for the epoxy, the base, even clear. You'll be amazed how good this gun is. This is an HBLP gun. They do have different types. 2 coats of the epoxy primer have been applied. Now I'm gonna wait about an hour for it to dry, then come back and start applying that high build primer. Now, why do I apply high build primer on top of the epoxy? The epoxy primer is extremely hard to sand once it's dried, and you can't block it. It's not gonna be good for you to block. So what I do after the 1 hour has elapsed, I come back, apply that high build primer, and that will give me the surface that I need to block these panels straight. So that's the reason I do that. Now you can go, there is primer that is direct to metal primer. I really don't like using that. I rather just apply the epoxy, then the high build primer, the primer surfacer, and that'll be more than enough for me to block it straight. Again, guys, the product that I'm using is from Eurochem, right there, primer surfacer UP61. Now that is mix 411, which is 4 parts of the primer, 1 part of the activator or hardener, whatever you want to call it, and the reducer. So let's wait 1 hour, come back, and apply the primer surfacer. the first coat of the high build primer has been applied, and the gun I'm using is the Avalon A1000 with a 2.0 tip. I want this high build primer to build so that I can block it straight. So I am going to be applying 3 coats, waiting 15 minutes in between each coat. So I'll bring you back once the 3rd coat has been applied so that I can show you the results. And that'll be it for these parts. There it is. 3 full wet coats of the high build primer from Hurricane. So now what we gotta do is just wait. I'm gonna let it set for a couple of maybe a week. I want that primer to fully cure so that I can come back and start blocking this. There it is, guys. And this is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you now know as to why I apply epoxy primer and primer to these panels, or to the panels. All right, thank you. Like always, stay safe. I'll see you next coming week. And like always, stay safe and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams, brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every code a lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray.